Afternoon, brother.
We have new people today. Yes. Especially Santa. Why are you here, man?
We can.
No, speak English.
No, I had someone phone me day before yesterday. No, in fact, she put a WhatsApp. Where are you? Can you come this side and come and make money? What kind of money now?
Okay, so you are here to understand.
Yeah.
Anyone who is new? This side. Oh, this one, they are already money makers. Are you new, man? Why are you here?
I'm not new as such, but it's my first time to come here. Yeah.
It's always good before you join something, you have to understand how the program works. Rather than joining, then you don't understand the program. Then at the end you will encounter problems. What happened? Triple M. I know a lot of people, they don't know what this M stands for. Yeah, and when you say triple M's, what comes to your head? You know this triple. People, they come up with some other meaning. But ours, it has a meaning. The first M stands for Maverotti, second M stands for Mondial, and the third M stands for Movement. Maverotti comes from the founder of the program. His name is Sergei Maverotti, he's from Russia. Then Mondial is a French word which means global. It's triple M, we don't do it only in South Africa, but we do it globally. So Mondial means worldwide. Okay, movement, it means we are in a movement to free ourselves from financial freedom, isn't it? Are there people who are working? What happens when it comes to month? You become more stressed, isn't it? Yes. Why? You know that the income I'm going to get is not going to be enough for my problems, isn't it? Yeah. But this program, if you joined, it's going to change your life. Not at once, but bit by bit. Okay. Triple M is a self-managed community program. It's not a company, it's not an investment. So you need to understand that it's a self-managed community program. When I say it's a self-managed community program, it means today when you join, you have got an important role to play. It's not like a company. Remember when you are being hired, you find a company with certain rules, you're just going to follow those rules, isn't it? Obviously, there will be someone who is monitoring you. You know that at work, whenever you are being hired, if there is no one behind you, what happens?
Just sitting in place.
But this one, we say it's a community program. It's not my program. It's not your program. It's a community program. Once I put myself in it, I know that I've got an important role to play. Because I'm going to manage myself, isn't it? Okay. Like I say, it's a community program, but we help each other by donating money. We help each other financially. We don't donate each other grocery or something. It's financially, which means we give you money so that you can buy whatever you want to. This money peer-to-peer, and we don't have one central bank account. We all know that if we have one bank account, what happens when we have one bank account? Okay, all of us, we join, we open an account maybe with FNB or ABSA, then all your money, isn't it say we donate money to each other, then we donate in one account. What happens? We know that there are people who control money, isn't it? Yeah. Yes, the moment the money becomes more millions, then they freeze the account. Then we lose our money. When we lose the money, what do we say? This program. Yes. But we don't want such things, so we donate peer-to-peer, which means there is no one central bank account. The money just goes straight to Ubaba, then goes straight to Mama. Okay, there are a lot of reasons why we don't have bank accounts. You know that even if the bank doesn't freeze the money, if you open an account in a group, obviously there's someone who will be managing it. It's founded in 2011. Even though in South Africa it's arrived last year in February, but it's been there since 2011. Isn't to say it's global. So it started there from Russia, started spreading to other countries, until also get out of it last year. And the main thing is to free the community, the majority, from financial slavery. Like I say, we work from 1st of the month and to 30th of the month. But at the same time, the earning which you get doesn't even satisfy you. But what choices do you have? You don't have choices, isn't it? You have to work. When you are raised that you go to school, you get a certificate, the next thing, you look for a job. If you knew that if I go to school, I get a degree, the next thing I go and get employed into a certain company, then I'll be like in parliament, he writes books, so his life is completely, but he has a heart of helping others. If you don't have a heart of helping others, will you create such program? You know a lot of people who are rich, they only create a name for themselves, isn't it? They don't think of the majority. If I get rich, okay, I'll be having a lot of cars, then I'll build myself a mansion. Then, besides that, the way I'll be living, I'll be scared. That's why you see they have bodyguards. Because they're like, what is the poor person going to do to me? They don't just walk, isn't it? They have bodyguards because they are scared. $14 billion. I mean dollars, not rands. Dollars have been circulating. It's even more than 14 billion because this 14 billion has been there for some time. I know now it's more than that. We all know that those people who joined that time in April, they are already millionaires, isn't it? Yes, they've achieved. Those who joined and start working, trust me, they are millionaires. They might not show you or you might not know it, but they are millionaires. Okay. How does it work? Because I said we donate money to each other. You can't come here today, okay, I understand the program, I want to be part of it, then you donate to me. You give first so that you also receive. So what happens? You join. Once you join, you create your dream. The system is going to allocate someone for you who needs help at that certain time. Then once you donate to someone, after 14 days, you can also be able to say, please donate to me, as little as 100 rand. And here we use spare money. Do we have spare money? Anyone who have spare money? You don't have? Oh, so let's go. What's the use of the presentation anyway, if you don't have spare money? Let's go. Spare money. We don't use the money which you know that by next week you want it. Otherwise you'll be running around to that person who brought you here to 30%. So as an example, if you put 1,000 rand, which means by the end of 30 days, how much do you have? 1,300. Which means your 30% is 300 plus your money, it will accumulate to 1.3. Okay. You can start as little as 100 rand. So no one can tell me that they don't have 100 rand. Because we all start with what we have. Then you can't expect, we can't be the same, isn't it? Because he started with 1,000 rand, maybe Mami, she doesn't have the 1,000 rand. You can also start with your 500. But there are some other benefits at the end, so you need to make sure that you put more sacrifices. Okay, there is 3 colors which are important when you join. There is a red color, there is a blue color, there is a green color. So once you join, you can't access your money within 2 weeks. 14 days has to finish. So once you donate, after 14 days you can be able to withdraw. So those 3 colors, red stands for unconfirmed. Once you join, you are going to create a dream. The moment you create a dream, you wait for the system to allocate someone for you, isn't it? So your money will be unconfirmed. Why? You're still holding your money, isn't it? So it's unconfirmed. Once you deposit to someone and 14 days is not over, your money tends to bloom. Simply saying you have already donated to someone, but the waiting period is not yet over. You can't still access your money. And after 14 days, your money changed to green. When you say green, it's available for withdrawal. It's up to you whether you withdraw or you leave it to grow. I know there are some people that get put after 14 days, I'm going to withdraw. Can I withdraw? Yes, you can withdraw. It's your money anyway. But if you wish, you can just leave it and have the 30% interest. Because when it's 14 days, it's going to be 14% only. It won't be 30%. And don't get disturbed. I know way back we used to wait for 30 days for us to deposit. And now because there are a lot of people joining and also people they are withdrawing, you don't stay that 30 days, isn't it, when it comes to runs. You stay maybe two weeks or even 13 days. Then you are being chosen to dispatch. It comes with conditions. Whenever you start with any amount more than $50, you get a registration bonus. Over $50, you get $20. And if you donate more than $500, you get $50. More than $3,000 is $100. Just to say thank you for joining Triple M community. Wow. Is it not a good story? Yes. So why are you not letting him? Some of you are working at work. When it comes to November, you will never get bonus, isn't it? It's always the company is not making money. If you're like me, you start referring people. I know ladies, we like gossiping. You know what she doesn't know how to dress. Yeah, besides gossiping, now you have something to tell people, isn't it? There's this program, Triple M. Yeah, tell everyone. Then you get your 10% bonus, which means you get 10% of whatever they are going to put. You join with 100 rand. It's not like everyone doesn't have money, isn't it? Some people they have money. Then you go tell mommy there is this, but you say, okay, I have 20,000. And when you get how much? 2,000 for just telling me. You didn't sell something to her. You don't even tell her. Just say, what are you doing on Saturday? She will say, Saturday off in Zolala. Don't sleep. Let me take you to Braamfontein. Okay, but what happens is the referral bonus. If I join and I refer mommy, I get 10% if I am a member, isn't it? Then Umami, she also has her friends, isn't it? Yeah. She'll go and tell her friend. When she tells her friend, the 10% goes to who? To Umami, isn't it? It's fair, isn't it? Yeah. Yes. But me, I don't get anything because I'm just a member. But if you want to continue getting something, you can do an online course. It's like 10 days. It's done over Skype. You finish the task, you pass, you become a manager. Then when you become a manager, you smile every day. The stress goes away. Because if I join these three, and these three, I'll go and target those people who talk too much, isn't it? When I tell that person, she's going to tell everyone. Then me, I continue getting. Imagine you get until to the 10th generation. Of course, the percentage will differ, but you get until to the 10th generation. Can you click pause the bonus, please? You see? So if mommy refers someone, I get 10%. If she refers, I get 5%. If they keep on referring, I still get something. That's a lot. Because I'm not doing anything, isn't it? I don't even know those people. You get to see that you are my manager. Someone will be calling you that you are my manager. From where? We joined through, you don't even know the person, but the money is just coming in. That's why I'm saying you smile every day. No matter what we do, when you finish training as a manager, you need motivation, isn't it? So we take you out. You rub shoulders with those who have money, who have millions, isn't it? Yeah, we take you out to those places which you have never been, maybe Galaga Estate. I know us black people, we have that tendency. These places, they're not for black people, it's for white people. It's not for white people because we know that we don't afford to be there. I always tell you that someone will come to South Africa, staying maybe in Uval. Maybe he or she works at Auckland Park. Every day, she'll be boarding a taxi from Uval to Auckland Park. Maybe at work, especially when you are working in a restaurant, you'll be having maybe 1 day off, maybe 1 day and a half. You're also a human being, you get tired, isn't it? On your off day, you sleep. Or maybe you do laundry. Maybe like you here in Johannesburg, we tell you 10 years. But she or he doesn't know something. How painful is that? Because you don't have money, why would I go to something? Because my income doesn't even allow me to go in whatever splash, whatever I want. So even if, you know, I used to feel pain when I buy even chicken, Nando's or KFC. I'll buy it, but my heart will be very painful. I was just going to buy a dry pack and I will cook maybe for a whole week. Because we don't have the money, isn't it? Global. But how do we do it global? How can you send rand to Canada? Or how can you send rand maybe to Russia? It's going to be hard, isn't it? They want bank statement, proof of residence, ID, blah blah. Some procedures which you have to go through. But here we use Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a digital money which you find on the net, but the good part of it, you can be able to transfer it anywhere in the world without restrictions. You don't have to go to the bank, blah, blah. You just buy them online, you keep them in your wallet. Whenever you feel like I want to transfer Bitcoins to this Bitcoin address, you can just do it. You can actually wake up 12 o'clock midnight, log in into your wallet and transfer Bitcoin. But with Rand, will you do that? You need, when you want to, especially when you want to withdraw large amount, when you don't have internet banking, what do? You wait for 9 o'clock, isn't it? Keyword. Okay, this is your PO. Once you register, you're having your personal office. Here we don't have offices. I know most people, they like office. Where are the offices? I want to go to the office. Your computer, your tablet, your smartphone, that's your office. So once you register, your PO look like this. Providing help means you're creating the dream. You click the provide help button. Then get help. Once you have the green marvelous. By the way, our money, we call it Marvel. Why? Why do we call it Marvel? Remember in first, I told you again, the first M stands for Maverodi. And I said the founder of the program, his name is Sergey Maverodi. If I start my own spaza shop, I'll make sure I'll write my name on it, isn't it? Because I want people to know that this belongs to Violet, isn't it? Same as Maverodi. Of course, he has a good heart, but he also wants us to remember him everywhere. That's why our money, we call it Mavro. It also comes from his name, Maverodi. Okay, this is my page. My page, once you register, there is my page where you see your details. You need to update your details. Skype, you have Facebook link, you can also update it there. But most important, the email address and the phone number. In most cases, imagine some people, they put wrong phone numbers. Then when you want to call them to confirm that I'm going to deposit for you, I just want to confirm if you are the right person, or maybe the account number is not correct. You want the person to correct the account number, then you find out that the number will say is not available. What are you going to do? You are stuck. You can even get blocked, you know that? Because all of those who are working, they'll say it's not every month. They ask me about 30, 29. But here, whenever I'm broke, I just go to the system and say, get help. Yes, and those people, they are very generous. They just donate to you the moment you say, get help. Okay, those are my manager's bonus. Do you see what amount she, or I don't know if it's a she or he, what she was having that time? How much is it? 152,343.42. 152,000. When I used to see this slide, I said, hey, there's a lot of. The most important thing, your email, your phone number, your account number. I know when it comes to bank accounts, people, they say, oh, will they deduct my money? But if you really check, there's no even send in that account. But they're so protective of their account. But anyway, we use bank accounts, unfortunately, because we said we donate money to each other, not because I know, Mom, we are going to meet there at KFC and I'll give them money off. It's globally. So we use bank accounts. Money goes straight to your bank account. So your bank account is required. And the bank account is for your own use. Triple M will never deduct any money. They don't even, it's for your own use. When you are withdrawing your money, the person who's supposed to donate to you will be given that account number so that she or he can deposit to you. So you don't have to be worried. Okay. Okay, this is also a personal fee. You can also see that those orders, once you are being allocated to someone, they'll be, if it's like you are supposed to PH, which means there'll be a green box there with the amount and the details for the person. If you click details, that's where you get the phone number. You can actually communicate with the person through the message icon also. Because like I say, even if you emphasize that phone number is important, Other people, they will never take it serious. They still put the wrong numbers. And in most cases, it's not like they put wrong numbers. Some people, they are very clever. You brought them to presentation, they even join, isn't it? They'll say, I'll let me go think about it, my friend, I'll tell you. Then the next thing, they've already get hold of the website. They go home, they Google, isn't it? Then they try, isn't there a registration form on the website? They try to register themselves. They don't even succeed because they will get stuck somewhere. When they get stuck, they will call you. I want to register. Okay, give me your details so that I can register. When you put the email address and phone number, it's saying you already exist. You already show, I tried, but I didn't succeed. So it's always wise. If someone invites you, if you are willing to join, please go to that person. She or he already joined, so they know the procedure. They can never make, even if they make mistake, they know how to rectify it, isn't it? Because when you make mistake on your own, trust me, it's done. Yeah, so please don't take the website and go and try and register yourself. Okay, there's also problems which I can't help you with. Maybe I'm the one who referred you. But when it comes to those technical problems, you need to write it to support. So you just log into your account. When there is a feedback button or support, you click there, you create your order, you address the issue, and they will get back to you. For it to be also quick, for you to be assisted quick, you also contact your guider. You give the guider the ticket number and your email address and just a description of your problem. They can also send it on the support on Skype. It also pushes. It's rsa-mmm.co. That's the new website. So, especially when you are registering someone, if you go, some people they go to www, that global one. You get to sometimes you register someone, then you find out that that person fall to Bitcoin Republic. When you want to update the account number, it only gives you that option to add the Bitcoin address. So make sure if the person is South Africa, make sure you use RSA. Unless if the person is in some other country like East Africa, you need to go to East Africa website and register that person. And when you are registering the person, you just go straight to the website. If you click the website, the next thing you click registration. Make sure that on the invite, you put your email address if you are the one who is referring that person. You make sure that you don't, not your name, your email address. Then, also try to set the password on the registration form. Because sometimes when you register someone, you can see that email, normally we used to get email, isn't it, for you to reset the password. But now you can actually set the password on the registration form. It's also speeding up the whole reaction, isn't it? Rather than just putting the name and the email, then you log into that person's email waiting for that. Sometimes network will be a problem. You don't get the email. The next thing, you don't know how to log in. So make sure when you are registering someone, reset their password